Time Management by Brian Tracy, full summary. In the introduction, Brian Tracy emphasizes that time is our most valuable resource. Once it's gone, it cannot be replaced. Effective time management is the key to success, and Tracy argues that learning to manage time efficiently is essential for achieving personal and professional goals. Successful people focus on what matters most, plan and prioritize, and eliminate distractions to make the most of every day. Chapter 1, The Time Management Challenge. In this chapter, Tracy highlights the common challenges people face with time management. These include procrastination, distractions, and the feeling of being overwhelmed by too many tasks. Tracy introduces the idea that time management is a skill, one that can be learned and improved with practice. He stresses that taking control of time is the first step toward taking control of your life. Chapter 2, Setting Goals. The foundation of effective time management is having clear goals. Tracy explains the importance of setting specific, measurable, and time-bound goals. He introduces the SMART goal-setting framework like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, as a way to break down large objectives into manageable chunks. The clearer your goals, the easier it will be to focus your efforts and prioritize tasks that move you closer to achieving them. Chapter 3, The Power of Prioritization. Tracy emphasizes that not all tasks are created equal. He introduces the 80-20 rule of Pareto's law, which states that 80% of results come from 20% of your activities. The key to effective time management is identifying which 20% of tasks will give you the highest return on investment. Tracy suggests using a system to prioritize tasks, such as the ABCDE method, where A4 must be done today, B4 should be done but not as urgent, C4, nice to do but not essential, D4, delegate if possible, and finally, E4, eliminate if unnecessary. By focusing on A tasks and eliminating or delegating D and E tasks, you free up time for high-priority activities. Chapter 4, The Power of Focus. Focus is one of the most critical aspects of effective time management. Tracy discusses the idea of single tasking, rather than multitasking, as a way to increase productivity. When you focus on one task at a time, you complete it faster and more efficiently. He also recommends setting aside blocks of time for specific activities, for example, deep work, and avoiding interruptions during these periods. Chapter 5, Time Blocking and Scheduling. Tracy introduces the concept of time blocking as a strategy for getting more done in less time. Time blocking involves assigning specific time periods to specific tasks or activities. This approach helps eliminate distractions and ensures that your day is organized around your most important work. Tracy advises creating daily and weekly schedules that reflect your priorities and leaving enough time for breaks and relaxation. Chapter 6, Overcoming Procrastination. Procrastination is one of the biggest obstacles to time management. Tracy explains why people procrastinate, often due to fear of failure, lack of motivation, or feeling overwhelmed. He offers strategies for overcoming procrastination, such as breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, starting with the hardest task, the eat that frog concept, and using rewards to motivate yourself. Chapter 7, Time and Energy Management. In this chapter, Tracy focuses not only on managing time but also on managing energy. He argues that people are most productive when they align their most important tasks with their natural energy peaks throughout the day. For example, if you're a morning person, focus on your most challenging tasks first thing in the morning. Tracy also discusses the importance of self-care, including regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep to maintain high energy levels and productivity. Chapter 8, Delegation and Outsourcing. Tracy highlights the importance of delegation as a tool for freeing up your time. He explains that you should focus on the tasks that align with your strengths and delegate the rest, whether it's hiring help, outsourcing tasks, or simply giving team members more responsibility. Effective delegation helps you maximize your productivity. He also discusses how to empower others by giving them clear instructions and the resources they need to succeed. Chapter 9, Time Management Tools and Techniques. In this chapter, Tracy provides a variety of tools and techniques for improving time management. This includes the Pomodoro technique, using timers to break work into intervals, typically 25 minutes followed by short breaks. To-do lists, Writing down your tasks for the day and prioritizing them. The Eisenhower Matrix, categorizing tasks into 4 quadrants, based on urgency and importance. Time tracking. Keeping a log of how you spend your time to identify. Areas for improvement. Chapter 10, The Art of Saying No. One of the key skills in time management is the ability to say no. Tracy emphasizes that saying yes to every request can lead to overcommitment and burnout. He suggests being selective about what you take on and learning to say no politely but firmly. By protecting your time, you ensure that you have the space to focus on what matters most. Chapter 11, The Key to Continuous Improvement. Tracy concludes the book by reinforcing the idea that time management is a lifelong process of continuous improvement. He encourages readers to review their goals, assess their progress, and make adjustments regularly. By constantly seeking ways to improve your time management skills, you can maximize your effectiveness and achieve your goals more efficiently. Final thoughts. Time Management by Brian Tracy provides a comprehensive guide to improving productivity, managing your time more effectively, and achieving your personal and professional goals. The strategies Tracy outlines are practical and can be applied by anyone, regardless of their current time management skills. By focusing on setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and eliminating distractions, readers can take control of their time and lead more successful lives.